From a wind-swept coastline to the mist-covered islands of the Pacific coast, the Salish Sea is a world alive with vibrant connectivity. Cold, fast-moving currents and rhythmic tides shape this place, a seascape of movement, mystery, and life. Beneath the surface, salmon, herring, marine mammals, and countless other species move through waters that are ever-changing. Here, the sea connects everything, carrying nourishment and life from one shore to the next. But the life in these waters is fragile. Along the edges of this coast, the habitats that sustain this life are increasingly under pressure, reminding us how intimately everything here is connected and how much it matters to protect it. In 1999, a small group of divers, educators, and ocean stewards came together with a simple question. How can we give back to the sea that has given us so much? We chose to focus upon eelgrass, as these emerald green plants live close to the shore, providing nurseries and shelter for so much of the Salish Sea marine system. What began with a small eelgrass transplant in Todd Inlet near Victoria, British Columbia, grew into a long-term effort to restore nearshore habitats, including eelgrass beds, throughout the Salish Sea. Working alongside local communities and First Nations, SeaChange Marine Conservation Society began carefully transplanting eelgrass shoots by hand, restoring damaged habitat one small area at a time. Over the years, thousands upon thousands of eelgrass shoots have been replanted across bays, estuaries, and shorelines throughout the coast, each transplant helping to rebuild critical habitat for marine life beneath the surface. But the restoration work has always happened because people are eager to work together to make a difference, sharing knowledge, stories, and responsibility for the places that sustain us. Beneath the surface, decades of human activity have left behind a hidden legacy of debris on the seafloor. Abandoned fishing gear, tires, cables, plastics, sunken boats, and industrial waste can smother sensitive habitats such as eelgrass and damage the ecosystems marine life depend upon. Together with volunteers, coastal communities, and First Nations, SeaChange has removed tons of underwater debris from shorelines, estuaries, and eelgrass habitats throughout the entire Salish Sea. With the debris removed from the seafloor, kelp forests, eelgrass meadows, and thousands of species of fish, sea stars, crabs, birds, seals, and whales have their healthy feeding grounds restored. Each cleanup, each transplant, and each volunteer is part of a larger collective effort to heal this precious marine diversity. Protecting eelgrass is not only about restoration, it is also about preventing further damage before it happens. Boat anchors and chains can scar sensitive eelgrass meadows, leaving long-lasting damage across the seafloor. In response, SeaChange has helped establish voluntary no-anchor zones and environmentally sensitive moorings in key habitats throughout the Salish Sea. Working with boaters, local governments, First Nations, conservation groups, and waterfront communities, these protected areas help reduce damage while allowing people to continue experiencing the coast responsibly. From quiet coves to busy anchorages, each protected meadow becomes part of a growing network of stewardship across the Salish Sea. Because when eelgrass survives, entire ecosystems survive with it. The heart of this work is connection. Connection between land and sea, between people and place, between generations who depend on healthy coastlines and abundant living waters. For more than 2 decades, SeaChange has brought together divers, students, scientists, volunteers, First Nations, industries, and coastal communities in a shared effort to care for this place. Together, we are restoring habitat, protecting fragile ecosystems, and helping rebuild relationships with the ocean itself. But this work is far from finished. Every restored shoreline, every protected eelgrass meadow, every piece of debris removed from the seabed helps shape a healthier future for the coast we call home. The Salish Sea continues to change, and the need to protect these living waters has never been greater. SeaChange appreciates financial support from coastal communities to continue this goal of keeping this home healthy and thriving.